Welcome to Ashraful BDTV La Liga Football Tournament 2024-2025 Point table standing last update after match week 18. Number 20 Valladolid match 18 won 3 match, lost 12 match, draw 3 match, point 12. Number 19 Valencia match 17 won 2 match, lost 9 match, draw 6 match, point 12. Number 18 Espanyol match 18 won 4 match, lost 11 match, draw 3 match, point 15. Number 17 Getafe match 18 won 3 match, lost 8 match, draw 7 match, point 16. Number 16 Alaves match 18 won 4 match, lost 9 match, draw 5 match, point 17. Number 15 Leganes match 18 won 4 match, lost 8 match, draw 6 match, point 18. Number 14 Sevilla match 18 won 6 match, lost 8 match, draw 4 match, point 22. Number 13 Las Palmas match 18 won 6 match, lost 8 match, draw 4 match, point 22. Number 12 Rayo Vallecano match 18 won 5 match, lost 6 match, draw 7 match, point 22. Number 11 Celta Vigo match 18 won 7 match, lost 8 match, draw 3 match, point 24. Number 10 Osasuna match 18 won 6 match, lost 5 match, draw 7 match, point 25. Number 9 Real Betis match 18 won 6 match, lost 5 match, draw 7 match, point 25. Number 8 Girona match 18 won 7 match, lost 7 match, draw 4 match, point 25. Number 7 Real Sociedad match 18 won 7 match, lost 7 match, draw 4 match, point 25. Number 6 Mallorca match 19 won 9 match, lost 7 match, draw 3 match, point 30. Number 5 Villarreal match 18 won 8 match, lost 4 match, draw 6 match, point 30. Number 4 Athletic Club match 19 won 10 match, lost 3 match, draw 6 match, point 36. Number 3 Barcelona match 19 won 12 match, lost 5 match, draw 2 match, point 38. Number 2 Real Madrid match 18 won 12 match, lost 2 match, draw 4 match, point 40. And number 1 Atletico Madrid match 18 won 12 match, lost 1 match, draw 5 match, point 41. Subscribe to our channel to get any sports news update. Thanks for watching.